Blackview BV100 AI smart glasses are marketed as a budget-friendly AI glasses. But the real question is, are they genuinely impressive for price or just another too-good-to-be-true tech gadget? Now, to be fair, the BV100 actually does include real smart glasses features at a surprisingly low price. According to Blackview, the glasses offer an 8MP camera, 1200p recording, Bluetooth audio, AI assistant functions, and open-ear speaker for under $80 in some regions. What it does well, the price is unusually affordable. Compared to premium smart glasses like Ray-Ban Meta, the BV100 costs dramatically less while still offering cameras, audio, and AI-style features. It includes surprisingly real functionality. The glasses genuinely support photo/video recording, Bluetooth calls, music playback, voice controls, and basic AI assistant features. Where it falls short, the AI features seem basic. This is the biggest reality check. Multiple users describe the AI assistant as fairly primitive compared to premium AI tools. Camera quality is nowhere near flagship devices. The 8MP camera works, but reviewers say image quality and stabilization are clearly budget level. The app experience may be frustrating. Some users complain about unreliable syncing, failed downloads, and awkward file transfers through companion app. So, are the Blackview BV100 AI smart glasses too good to be true? Short answer, surprisingly decent for the price, but definitely not premium quality AI glasses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.